For you to come and happy to have this up.
France and the world right now. Thank you for standing up for people of the Middle East who are suffering.
Mon épouse.
Bonjour. Bonjour.
So, Your Holiness, let's start. Even yesterday you so it's signed by all the French players on the skirt.
Wonderful.
So
Okay.
it's
Very good. Thank you very much.
so here for your sports and the Mississippi River. It was a map. It's a map made in 1670s. It was a mission. It was part of a mission, French mission. Everything is explained. He was a Jesuit. And he made this map, this drawings of Mississippi River. And you have two series of books. This one, ce sont pour beaucoup les lettres que Georges Bernanos a écrit. Combat pour la vérité. Et Bernanos, dans cette période, était pour la France, pour Spain, World War. So it's a fascinating piece of literature and reflection. So this is a book made for the restoration of Notre Dame. So we have from this terrible moment and the emotion of people.
Yes, striking moment.
And till the total restoration.
Representing the abundance of the gift of the Lord. So it's a copy replica of the abundance of God's gifts. And I think what we share mutually in terms of wanting to work together for peace in the world. Speaking about the Apostolic Palace here, many of the works of art contained here. Visit today.
Thank you. Thank you.
This is the
pleasure. All the best to you.
Thank you.
Bonjour, Monsieur le Président.
Éminence, je suis heureux de vous retrouver.
Merci, merci.
Vous allez bien?
Bien, ouais.
Heureux d'être là.
toujours occupé, non? C'était
Non, merci beaucoup, Éminence. Heureux d'être.
Pas forcément.
Je sais pas, moi je dis toujours mon métier, c'est de dire oui, et les autres disent non.